Roof repair in Land O'Lakes with affordable roofing systems. Ensure your roof's long-term durability with our professional repair services. From fixing leaks to repairing worn shingles, our experts restore your roof structure and performance. We focus on quality repairs that strengthen your roof and safeguard your home from weather-related damage. Ready to experience the best roofing services in Land O'Lakes? Contact Affordable Roofing Systems today at 813-542-8462 or visit us online at affordableroofingflorida.com for a free estimate.